Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Dontimtv and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can actually be making more than 3,000 naira a day. I've been doing this over time and it has been fetching me a lot of money. The name of this platform is iWowRich. From the name alone, you can know that this platform will make you rich if you are really serious. I'm gonna be showing you guys what you really need to do to register and also start earning as fast as possible on this platform. Now all you need to do is to use the link in the description and register. Now I'm gonna go straight and tell you guys what this platform is all about. iWowRich is an online commodity investment platform where you can invest on commodities like gold, silvers, jewelries, and other commodities you can trade on. Just like forex trading, whereby you guess when the graph goes up and falls down, then you buy and sell. Just like that. But this time around, you're playing with colors. That makes it juicy and more easy. This gameplay implies only playing with three colors, which are violet, red, and green. Now, with numbers, now you need to do is to select the color that will come out of the particular section and then get your money as easy as that. I've been using this over time and it has been fetching me a lot of money. Another way you can earn money on this platform is by inviting your friends to register on this platform. Now, I know you might be thinking maybe it might be like other referral platforms and have Facebook, but now, let's say you invite someone and you register with 1,000 naira. Now, you get 1,000 naira also. Now, if you invite two people, you get 2,000 naira. If you invite up to 5 people, you get 5,000 naira with extra 3,000 naira as combination, making it 8,000 naira. Trust me, this platform is very easy. I just want to review this platform to you guys. Use the link in the description and register. Please register and register. Start trading as soon as possible. I'm gonna jump into my screen right now and show you guys some of these things I'm telling you. Trust me, if you do exactly what I showed you on this platform, you're gonna earn a lot of money. Start living the life you really want to live. And trust me, iWowRich will make you rich if you really want to be rich. So stick around and do this video. Please make sure you like this video, drop a like. It helps a lot of people to see this video more. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv. With that being said, let's continue this video.
Yo, this is how the platform looks like. I mean, this is very beautiful. Now you need to, if you've not registered, use the link in the description and register. Once you're done registering, then now I've registered already, so I'm gonna go ahead and move into my platform. I need to log in right now. All right, you need to verify your cache here. Just a minute, please, a minute. All right, we've logged in already. Now I'm gonna go to this place that is written mine. This is it. All right, then I'm gonna go to mine. If you click there, it will take you to your profile. Now my available balance is 1,094. I've been trading, I've been withdrawing on a several node. Now what you need to do to start trading immediately is this. Go to the home. Now if you go to the home, you select the commodity you want to trade on. Let's say you want to trade on gold. You click on gold. The next session is going to start in less than 10 seconds, so they're not going to allow you to go into the trade. Let's say we want to join green right now, but you need to check the recent results that they got before you hop into any trade. Don't just go and waste your money. Now after looking at the next trade, now let's say we want to join green. Okay, we have green here. If you want to trade with 100 naira, trade with 100 naira. If you want to trade with 1,000 naira, trade with 1,000 naira. You can either select any number that can come out, so you can go ahead and select either one. So you can go ahead and select either one or two. And as you can see, the next trade is going to start in a minute plus. Now you can go ahead and join either green, or you can go ahead and join violet, or you can join red, or you can even select any number. Number is 2852. You can select any number that will occur in the next trade. Now we're going to go ahead and select the next color that will come out. So it's green. I want to put just 100 naira for this video. I used to trade more than this, but let me just put 100 naira as tutorial. So agree with the terms and conditions and confirm the trade. All right, so our orders have been, as you can see, the money have been deducted here. So we are down with 100 naira. So let's wait till the next trade. So let's wait for our results. But before the results, once it gets to 30 seconds, they won't allow you to go into the trade. So you need to do it before the countdown reaches 30 seconds. All right, as you can see, our own is waiting. We selected for green and we paid 100 naira. So the gain is gonna be 97 naira. That's why I said it's almost times 2 of what you invest. This is crazy, bro. This is really crazy. So let's wait. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Boom. Let's see what you got here. Let's wait for the system to update. It's updating. We selected green. Boom. Look at it, bro. Look at it. As you guys can see, we already earned 97. This is very crazy, bro. This is a very, very good opportunity to earn a lot of money. Look at our balance. Our balance is now 100 and our balance is now 1,188. This is good. Trust me, this is very, very good. It's something that you can be doing right from the comfort of your home without going anywhere. Just all you need to do is to use the link in the description, register. Then once you register, recharge your account with at least 100, recharge your account with at least 1,000 naira, or even more. You can recharge as many as you can recharge up to 100,000 naira and start trading on this platform. This platform is very, very good. Now let's go to activity. This seems to be the most important one. Let's say they said if you sign in for 1 day in a row, that means if you sign in today, they will credit you with 100 naira. Juicy part of this platform, the referral part of it. Let's get to see. Now, like I said in the intro, if you refer one person, you get another 1,000 naira. Man, this is crazy. Like if you refer anybody, you get 1,000 naira. Now, if you refer up to 5 people to register with your link, man, this is crazy. They'll give you 5,000 naira plus extra 3,000 naira. Man, this is crazy. Why not give it a try? Give it a try. I've referred a lot of people. And I've earned a lot of money on this platform. So I'm urging you guys to please use the link in the description, register and start trading. Now I'll drop my number in. But if you have any question, if you don't know how to trade on this platform, just hit me up on WhatsApp. I will guide you very, very well to start cashing out big on this platform. This is a very, very good opportunity for every youth in Nigeria and also in Africa as a whole. So just go ahead and refer someone. I mean, left for me alone, I will tell you guys to just refer. If you don't want to trade, just keep referring and keep earning a lot of money, bro. This platform is just God sent, bro. It's just God sent. I can't enjoy this alone, so I have to tell you guys. So please make use of the opportunity. So guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and use the link in the description and please register ASAP. Register and start earning immediately on this platform. This platform has come to stay and it's going to last just like Forex is lasting. Go ahead and use the link in the description and start trading on either gold, jewelry and silver. It depends on you. Start earning. You know, that's what I do on this channel. I always give you guys the opportunity to earn right from the comfort of your home. Go ahead and give it a try and come and thank me on WhatsApp, bro, because this is a golden opportunity. Just subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dropping videos almost on a daily basis, and please follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv. Use my WhatsApp number and send me a message if you have any problem or if you have any question. Now suggest to me any video content you would like me to do on this channel. Write in the comment below. See you guys in the next video.
So that's it, guys. How you need to do it, to use the link in the description and register now. This platform is as being as hot bread, so be the first one to enjoy all these juicy stuff I just showed you, and make sure you use the link in the description. That's my link. I need to refer you and get my own money. Just invest as much as 5,000, 10,000, as much as 100,000 naira. All you need to do is to start with 1,000 naira to start investing. Start now and don't say later. It's not scam. Trust me, I've used it. It works and it pays my bills even up till now. And after now, I'm gonna continue trading because it will keep paying my bills. With that being said, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Follow me on Instagram at Dontimtv. And if you have any question about this platform, you wanna confirm something from me, DM me on Instagram. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any idea on money making, entrepreneurship, real estate, any money making video, just drop it in the comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.